Hey, this is Brian with Evo Dynamic and White Glove Ninja coming to you today with a WordPress security tip. Delete the unused themes off of your WordPress site. Hey, here's a WordPress security tip for you. Head to your WordPress backend, log in there, go down to your appearance and your themes, and check out all the themes you're not using. Look at all these. Update now, update now. We are using the Divi theme on this site. That's the only one we need. If you might have a child theme, you want to keep that as well, because that's going to be running some of your customization on your theme. But all these other themes you want to get rid of. These are security holes. So click on your theme details, go down to the lower right hand corner, hit delete, click OK. Bam! It'll delete that theme, delete the files, it'll delete all the security holes present in it, and you don't have to worry about updating it again. Do that again for each of the extra themes that you are not using on your site. This is Brian with Evo Dynamic. Thanks for enjoying this WordPress security tip, and be blessed.